Hello everybody, this is Bronislava. I have a blog, HandMadeRukodelky, with lots of different patterns in there. You can go and visit. Link is below the video. We are not going to be knitting, but I want to talk to you about my project that I was working for over 2 months. And I basically videotaped also, and I am writing a pattern. So all the links to this project, because there is gonna be lots of links, okay, several links to this project, is going to be below my video. So let me show you what I was working for about 2.5 months. A cable sweater, all right, you can see it. It's for someone that I absolutely love. So in our first video, definitely I will show you how to make this pattern. Okay, it's a cable pattern, and you are gonna learn how to make these little cells. In next video after that, I will show you, or I will at least talk about how to start, and then I will definitely show you how to make this opening, head opening. And this sweater is actually knitted from the bottom going up and over and finished down at the bottom on the back. Okay, this hair is tickling my face. In another video then I will show you how to knit, how to cast on sleeves. Okay, and you can go and actually do 3 versions, how to cast on sleeves, and how I finish the sleeves. In another video, I will show you how to make balls that we will be attaching to these cells. Okay, so here is how these balls look initially. Okay, I hope you can see it. And then I will show you how I colored a few of them, just idea. And then that's about it. I think that will be the whole project. So how to do the pattern, how to do this opening, how to do the sleeve, how to crochet this one, how to color this. So that's about 5 or 6 videos, okay? So look for the links below the video, because I will group them into a playlist. It's gonna be a playlist of this cable sweater. So, you know, don't forget, again, links below the video. Also, if you don't want to make these balls, because they require a lots of yarn, as this sweater also requires lots of yarn, you can buy yourself like inexpensive acrylic balls that fit. And let me actually show you. I will show you. So I bought these just in case my daughter would like to put a different balls. So these are the balls that fit, they fit in there. So if she prefers, she can go and thread in there a thread and tie them, because these are gonna be a lot more. Let me go and show you. These are gonna be much more chunky, and it will have thicker tie on the inside. Let me go and show you also. See, it's gonna go inside. Okay, and then this thick, these 4, because you're working with two strands. So these 4 strands actually are gonna be on the inside from each ball on the inside of the sweater. So we shall see how it's gonna go and work out when we are tying all these balls on this sweater, but it's gonna be fabulous, I think. And that's about it, what I wanted to go and share with you today. So don't forget, look for the links to this project. Okay, it's a fabulous project. You need lots of yarn, but it's gonna be a really nice and warm sweater for northerners where there is snow in winter or really cold air in the fall and winter and spring. And it's just going to be a head-turning sweater. People will be, I am sure people will be asking my daughter where she got it. So you can go and do that as well and make it for someone. And don't forget, you really need a long time to make it. You have to start almost in summer to finish this project for holidays, if you want to give it as a gift for holidays, and or for anybody's birthday. So that's about it. And all I have to say today is you will see me in another